Oh, hey guys, I'm back. We're gonna be taking out that today and getting rid of it. It's not working anymore, so let's do that. Let's take that cabinet out today and get rid of it. First, I gotta clean all this stuff out so I can have room to work. See how that's gonna work. I can get in from there and do it like that too. Let me see. Or I can put you guys inside the truck here. Let's see if that works. Let me collapse the legs here on the tripod. That might work, maybe. All right. I think we're good to go here. Let's just take out a couple of these. Oh, brackets are not going to come out, are they? Bracket down. And we've got to go in here. There's a few screws in here. Let me come inside with you guys here. There's 3 screws on this wall here. I broke that one. And there's one more back here. Yeah, it's way over here in the corner, I think. Yep. All right. More back here. Guys, this thing's been here so long. It's gonna be fun taking it out. Here I am. There's another L bracket down here that needs to come out. Okay. And a lot of stuff in here that needs to come out. I was going to be doing this build differently with just adding some shelves to this cabinet, but it's just not working. I have a whole new idea of how I want this build to go, and I'll show you that once we get this stuff out of here. I think there's something that's holding this in here. Inside here, down the bottom here. Because something else is holding us in here. I don't know what it is. Oh, there's a screw right there, guys. Look at that, I missed one. I knew it. There's a screw right here. Let's go find a tool to pry this thing up with. What do you think? I think a screwdriver. Not sure what drawer it is. This might work. Actually, I have a pry bar somewhere over here. Actually, I have one down here in this toolbox down here. Tools down here. And to find this pry bar. I sold my toolbox years ago. So let's go. Get this cabinet. Lift it up here. screw in here in the corner. Seems like right here. Let's do it this way. I probably won't be using them anyways. Ah, there it is. Is there anything holding up there? I wonder. All right, back to the front up here. Up there. All right, we gotta see if we can get this here loose. So we'll take the tools. I don't know if there is or not. I don't think there is. There shouldn't be. Whatever. It's done. Ah, there was holding right there. So that's what it was. This is drilled into the platform. Okay. That's in there. Well, we just chewed up some of the platform there. Whatever. It's fine. It's gonna be covered probably anyway. So let's get this. This is it. Well, there it is. The cabinet is out. Oh my gosh. Now, I gotta figure out what to do here. Vacuum it? Yes, if you can see it's pretty bad, so. Holy shit, there's a lot of room in here. But that board I had here won't work like I had it, because this is a flip up door. So, well, now I need to vacuum. My next build, I want to build it up to this height right here. So this here is I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here yet. Get rid of these, but I'm building probably to the window level, and maybe a little shelf coming out here. I'll just put it right here, so I can keep that cup holder up there. That's kind of my plan. But these shelves should stick out. As they are not going back in. So I bought some 2x3s to build the new cabinets, but I don't think it's what I want. So it'll be kind of bare bones for a while. We might even do a trip in it like this, just rough it without the storage. I got those tote boxes I pulled out with all my stuff in it, so we're good. And see how I like it, and kind of just go from there, you know? So I'm not sure how long I'm gonna make this video today. I'm gonna just probably hang out in the garage, clean up the truck a little bit, have a couple cold ones. So but man, what a difference. It brings back memories of the day I was building this thing. And if you see this cutout right up here, let me see if I can show it to you guys. That cutout right there, that was kind of already there when I built it. If I can go back and re-put that back there, I would, because I built the cabinet from probably back here, not too far, because I gotta open it up and leave this open here, and build up to the edge, to the corner up there. Now I gotta mess with these lights because it's all tucked up on top of the cabinet that I took out. So this has to be figured out now, rerouted differently. Probably tuck it behind here where the window shade is. But now, guys, I can take my window shade out and paint it on the other side when I get the paint for it. And I'll probably take the remote to the lights. This row here is for these lights here. So I'll probably just attach it to the actual plastic trim. These lights here, these Christmas ones, might come out. We have a lot of work on our hands now, and I will try to take you guys along with this journey. Like I said, I'm not be able to get any kind of supplies until after I get another check. At least get one sheet of plywood so I could at least start the build. And well, guys, I got it all packed back in the truck. This is how it looks without the cabinets. Not too bad. It's actually pretty organized compared to what it was. And I'll show you the front here where you get in. It looks a lot better for now. What do you guys think? A lot more organized. It's still, of course, not ready yet to camp in, but it won't take long to make it that way. So that is what we're looking at. So yep, that's it for today, guys. My back is in pain and I'm gonna go sit down, and I'll catch you guys next time. All right, later.